Yes, anak. Congratulations.
Ma'am Michelle, race bib number 10010.
And our strongest finisher for the female running at 10K race bib number 10016 at 1 and 15, Princess Apoldonia.
Congratulations! Isa kang dakilang princess.
Yes.
Alright, sa taas, ma'am.
Taas yun ka, ma'am.
Sorry, mama, wala. Kanang topi, lagi na mamatag, ma'am. Wala'y corona para sa princess.
Ay, saan sa mani? Panuan or kuan? Kasi bibit
Disney
sa mani.
princess. Congratulations, Mexico.
Miss Universe Part 2.
Alright, so here are our top 3 strong finishers for 10K.
Congratulations, winners.
Alright, we also would like to acknowledge our SPED teachers who are also
Gibaling walang crown, anak. May trophy ka naman. I'm happy for you, my princess. Ang lakas mo talagang tumakbo. Imagine, first talaga sa run.